Let's talk about mornings. You do many things after you wake up. Every morning, an alarm clock makes a sound to wake you up. You turn it off and get out of bed. First, you go to the bathroom. The bathroom is where you wash and get clean for the day. You wash your face at the sink. You turn on the tap and use cold or warm water. Next, you brush your teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. This keeps your teeth clean and healthy. Some people take a shower in the morning. A shower helps you feel clean and fresh for the day ahead. After the shower, you dry yourself with a towel. You look in the mirror and check how you look. Then you go to your bedroom and get dressed. You choose the clothes you want to wear for the day. After that, you go to the kitchen and eat breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Common breakfast foods are rice, bread, and eggs. Some people also eat fresh fruit or yogurt. Most people drink something warm or cold with breakfast. Coffee, tea, milk, and juice are all popular morning drinks. After breakfast, you check the time. You do not want to be late for school or work. Before you go out, you pack your bag. You check that you have your phone, your keys, and wallet. You put on your shoes at the front door and step outside. Your morning is done.